If you want to improve your ChatGPT experience and get more useful, organized, and powerful outputs, then this guide is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to install ChatGPT Chrome extensions and use the built-in features that can help you manage conversations, access saved chats, and work more efficiently. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Web Store in your Chrome browser. This is where you can find trusted Chrome extensions that work with ChatGPT. Once the store opens, use the search bar to look for the extension you want to install. In this case, we're using Superpower ChatGPT, which is a popular extension designed to add more functionality to ChatGPT and make the overall experience more powerful. Next, click on the extension listing and then select Add to Chrome. After that, Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation, review the permissions carefully, and if everything looks good, click Add Extension. Once the installation finishes, the extension will be added to your browser automatically. Now that the extension is installed, go to ChatGPT in a new tab. Make sure you are signed into the correct account so the extension can work properly with your chats. Once you're inside ChatGPT, you should start noticing the extra tools and menu options added by the extension. One of the first things you can do is click on All Conversations. This gives you access to all of your chats in one place, which makes it much easier to search through past prompts, revisit useful answers, and stay organized if you use ChatGPT often. If you want to save important chats for quick access later, click on Favorites. This is useful when you have conversations you want to come back to again and again. You can mark your best prompts, workflows, or reference chats so they're always easy to find. Another helpful section is Archived. If you want to keep your chat list clean without deleting anything, archived chats let you hide old conversations while still keeping them available whenever you need them again. This is great for keeping your workspace simple and clutter-free. Now let's look at the Manager section. Click on Manager to open the extension's control area. This is where you can explore more of the features and settings that help you get better results inside ChatGPT. It's the place to manage the extension and access its extra tools. From there, click on Gallery. This takes you to the ChatGPT Prompt and Extension Gallery area, where you can browse different tools and resources that improve your workflow. If you're someone who uses ChatGPT for writing, research, content creation, or productivity, this section can be especially useful. You can also click on GPT Store to install more tools and explore additional GPT options. This helps you customize ChatGPT based on the type of work you do. Whether you need help with writing, brainstorming, summarizing, or organizing, the store can give you more specialized options. Another feature you may want to use is Notes. Click on Notes to keep track of useful information, reminders, or ideas while working in ChatGPT. This can be very handy when you're managing prompts, saving insights, or building a system for your projects. Overall, this extension is powerful and very useful if you want to make ChatGPT more efficient and more tailored to your needs. It can help you stay organized, find conversations faster, and unlock more features that improve your daily workflow. So that's how you install ChatGPT Chrome extensions and start using them to improve your outputs. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more ChatGPT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.